Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming capability and status. Check the router model and firmware so it actually broadcasts 5 GHz, and make sure your device's Wi-Fi adapter and drivers support 5 GHz. Next, reboot both router and device. Power cycles clear temporary faults. While they restart, position the router so signals aren't blocked, 1 to 2 meters from large appliances and away from metal. Once done, log into the router's admin page and prepare to inspect band settings and channel selection. You now dive into configuration. Enable a separate 5 GHz SSID so devices connect explicitly, then choose a clear channel. Start with lower non-DFS channels like 36 or 40 to reduce interference. Make sure channel width is appropriate. 80 MHz boosts speed but increases interference, so try 40 MHz if stability wins. Also verify security settings, WPA2 or WPA3 with a strong password. Once saved, force your device to forget old networks and reconnect to the newly named 5G SSID. You finish by validating coverage and performance. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to read dBm, SNR, and channel congestion. Move a device around to map dead zones. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reapply the corrected 5 GHz settings. Sometimes corrupt configs block the band. As a last step, update firmware, test with another 5 GHz capable device, and if that fails, contact your ISP or replace the router. Key tip: test one change at a time so you know what fixed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.